Spray painting your rims is an excellent way to upgrade your vehicle's appearance without breaking the bank. The right spray paint can give your rims a sleek, fresh look while protecting them from the elements. Whether you're aiming for a glossy finish, a matte look, or something more unique, there are high-quality spray paints designed specifically for rims. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best spray paints for rims that you can buy on Aliexpress. Number 1. Piquet 2-Wheel Rim Spray Paint. The Piquet 2-Wheel Rim Spray Paint offers an affordable yet premium option for car enthusiasts looking to revamp their vehicle's wheels. This spray paint is formulated for excellent adhesion on aluminum, steel, and alloy rims. Its fast-drying technology ensures that you won't need to wait long before hitting the road with your newly painted rims. Available in multiple finishes, including gloss, matte, and metallic, this spray paint provides versatility to match your personal style. The Piquet 2 brand is known for producing high-quality automotive paints that provide long-lasting results. This product is no exception, as it delivers excellent protection against chipping, fading, and harsh weather conditions. It's ideal for DIYers looking for a straightforward application with professional results. Whether you're refreshing old, worn-out rims or customizing a new set, Piquet 2-Wheel Rim Spray Paint is a reliable choice. Key features: fast-drying formula, suitable for aluminum, steel, and alloy rims. Available in gloss, matte, and metallic finishes. UV-resistant and weatherproof. Easy-to-use spray can design. Long-lasting, durable finish. Affordable pricing for DIY enthusiasts. Number 2. Duplicolor High Performance Wheel Coating. Duplicolor is a trusted name in the automotive world, and their high-performance wheel coating is one of the top choices for car rims. Specifically engineered to provide a durable finish, this spray paint resists brake dust, chemicals, and fading, making it perfect for wheels that endure tough driving conditions. The product is available in a variety of colors, including silver, black, and bronze, ensuring that your rims will stand out. The spray paint is designed to create a sleek, professional-looking finish that adheres well to various rim materials, including steel and aluminum. The durable coating ensures that your rims will stay vibrant even after prolonged exposure to heat, moisture, and road salt. With Duplicolor's advanced formula, you can achieve a showroom-quality look at a fraction of the cost of professional services. Key features: excellent brake dust and chemical resistance. Available in multiple colors and finishes. Ideal for steel and aluminum wheels. Long-lasting durability, even in harsh conditions. Resistant to chipping and fading. Designed for professional-looking results with minimal effort. Quick-drying formulation for faster applications. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Automotive High Performance Wheel Spray Paint. Rust-Oleum's Automotive High Performance Wheel Spray Paint is another top contender for rim customization. Known for their expertise in rust prevention and protective coatings, Rust-Oleum offers a superior spray paint option that works well on both new and old rims. This spray paint is specially designed to protect against rust, chips, and corrosion, making it ideal for areas with harsh weather conditions or salt-covered roads. Available in various colors like black, silver, and graphite, this spray paint provides a glossy finish that resists fading. The Rust-Oleum spray paint ensures that your rims maintain their pristine look for longer, even when subjected to the elements. Additionally, the paint has a smooth application process, making it easier for beginners and experienced DIYers to use. Key features: anti-rust and anti-corrosion protection. Available in black, silver, and graphite colors. Glossy, fade-resistant finish. Smooth application with minimal dripping. Suitable for aluminum and steel rims. Weatherproof and chip-resistant coating. Trusted brand for durable, high-performance automotive coatings. Number for VHT wheel paint gloss finish. VHT, very high temperature wheel paint, is a specialized spray paint designed to withstand extreme heat and harsh driving conditions. If you live in a hot climate or tend to push your vehicle to its limits, VHT's wheel paint is the perfect choice for your rims. This paint is designed to endure high temperatures, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for cars with high-performance brakes that generate significant heat. This gloss finish spray paint not only offers durability but also adds a stunning shine to your rims. Available in various colors, such as black, silver, and gold, VHT wheel paint ensures that your rims remain stylish and well protected. The paint's unique formula creates a solid, even coat that resists chips, cracks, and rust, ensuring that your wheels stay in top shape. Key features: high temperature resistance, up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Available in various colors, black, silver, gold. Gloss finish for a sleek, shiny look. Resistant to chipping, cracking, and rust. Designed for high-performance vehicles and extreme conditions. Long-lasting, durable coating. Easy to apply with an even, smooth finish. Number 5. Plasti Dip Rim Coating Spray. Plasti Dip is a versatile, rubberized coating that is perfect for people who like to switch up the look of their rims regularly. Unlike traditional paints, Plasti Dip is peelable, meaning you can remove it when you want to try a different color or finish. This flexibility makes it a favorite among DIY car enthusiasts who want to frequently update their vehicle style. Plasti Dip's rim coating spray is resistant to moisture, acids, abrasion, and corrosion. This spray-on product adds a protective layer to your rims, safeguarding them from the elements and road debris. It's also available in various finishes like matte, gloss, and metallic, allowing you to customize your rims according to your style. Best of all, you can peel it off whenever you're ready for a change, making it perfect for experimenting with different looks. Key features: peelable and removable coating. Available in matte, gloss, and metallic finishes. Resistant to moisture, corrosion, and abrasion. Protects rims from harsh weather conditions and road debris. Easy to apply and remove. Durable, flexible, and long-lasting coating. Perfect for DIYers who want to change their rims look frequently. Conclusion: spray painting your rims is a great way to improve your vehicle's appearance without breaking the bank. Each of the top 5 best spray paints for rims listed here offers something unique, from long-lasting durability to the ability to frequently change your car's style. Whether you need high heat resistance, weather protection, or a peelable coating, you can find the right spray paint for your rims on Aliexpress.